Two-factor authentication, not working on CrowdStreet App Fix. If your two-factor authentication isn't working on the CrowdStreet app, don't worry, this is a common hiccup that can usually be fixed in minutes. Most people think the problem is with CrowdStreet itself, but the surprising truth is that it's often caused by small device or network settings. Let's go step by step. First, check your phone's time settings. Two-factor codes rely on precise synchronization between your device and CrowdStreet servers. Go into your phone settings, enable Set automatically, and double-check your time zone. Next, make sure your CrowdStreet app is updated. Outdated versions can fail to connect securely with CrowdStreet's authentication system. Head to your app store, check for updates, install them, then restart your device. If you're using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy, open it and find the option to sync time for codes. This ensures that the generated codes are accurate and valid for CrowdStreet's system. If you're getting verification codes by SIMs but not receiving them, disable your PIN and switch to mobile data instead of Wi-Fi. Some networks filter out automated security messages. If you've changed phones or deleted your authenticator recently, use a can't access two-factor authentication link on the login screen. CrowdStreet support will help you reset your authentication safely after verifying your identity. If none of these steps work, uninstall and reinstall the CrowdStreet app. This resets the app's cache and refreshes its connection with the server. Once you've done all this, your two-factor authentication should be back up and running. Remember, this extra step may seem annoying, but it's what keeps your real estate investments and personal information safe from unauthorized access.